Let's take an example of a fresher's resume, right? Here the name comes, then address, branch, email, phone number, this kind of information generally people put, and career objective we write over here, then educational qualification, your 10th, 12th, BTech, whatever your qualification you mention over there, board, university, school, colleges, year of passing, and your percentages comes here. And after that, if you have done some courses or diploma from some institutes, then you mention it over there, diploma or certificate, institute name, start date, end date, and grade whatever you obtained over there. Software exposure or software skills or technical skills you mention over there, and you mention generally languages like C, C++, Core, Java, PHP, Android, HTML, CSS, and whatever technology you have learned, you generally mention over there, right? And after that, in this resume here it is mentioned web tools, Microsoft Office, LAMP, Eclipse, and whatever you have learned, and database, MySQL, SQL, Oracle, this kind of information you put over there. These are your technical skills. After that, in this resume you mention your strength, positive attitude, hardworking, friendly, helpful, good presentation skills. Hobbies you mention listening music, reading books, watching movies, and personal information, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, your gender, marital status, nationality, and after that some students mention over there declaration, I hereby declare that all information made by me true and complete, all these kind of statement you write over there, and date, place, and your full name. This is the general way how people build their resume, how people make their resume. There may be some differences also, some people prepare some other way, but generally we found this kind of resume. So what are the positive points of this resume and what are the negative points of this resume? Let's talk about it.